What is the state of playfulness in HCI? To understand what and how we are doing as a research community, we must answer questions such as: what are its areas of implementation? Who are we designing for? What are the types of contribution? Which methodologies are used? And what is the motivation to use playfulness? To work towards finding common ground and understanding the state of playfulness in HCI, we propose 5 lenses targeting these questions. Check our paper for more details.